In this video, I'm going to show you how to sew with the walking foot. The sewing machine has the feed dog that moves the fabric through from the bottom of your fabric to the back when you sew. The walking foot has the feed dog that moves the fabric through from the top. Hold the walking foot, raise the lever and hook it around the needle shank. Press a bar. Slide the foot up and down until it's lined up with the hole. Insert the screw and tighten it with the screwdriver. For quilting, we have the bottom layer, the batting, and the top layer. The feed dog of the walking foot will move the top layer as the machine moves the bottom layer, then all three the layers feeds through at the same time. For stretch fabric, I use Universal 8012 needle, stitch length on 3 mm. This foot is also excellent to use on leather, vinyl and any fabric that is difficult to use. No skipped stitches and the fabric is still stretchy.